Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting work. Create a branch or backup, then open the Swift project. Next, add a new Swift file or subclass the existing chat class so you can swap behavior. Make sure the file target and import statements match the app module, and declare the new class public or internal as appropriate. Once done, search for current class references so you know where to replace them. This gets you from setup into the first practical change. You now refactor the middle layer. Change the chat view controller to accept the new class through initializer injection or a dependency container so testing stays easy. Update protocol conformances, delegate callbacks, and data source wiring so the new class implements required methods. Then edit storyboard or zib class names to point at the replacement and reconnect IB outlets and IB actions. Make sure model transformations and serialization logic still match the new type. Once wired, finish by cleaning the build folder and running unit and UI tests. Then run the app on a device or simulator to exercise chat flows. Verify persistence and migrations if the class changes storage format, and clear caches so stale objects don't interfere. Confirm message sending, receiving, and UI updates work as expected. If you hit crashes or missing outlets, make sure storyboard module and class names match, IB outlets are connected, and initializers' signatures align. This is the most common fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.